guys, today we are going to be cleaning our dishwasher filter on our Bosch dishwasher. The first thing we're going to do is remove our bottom rack and set it aside. And then Mr. Cameraman, if you'll come in here, you can see right here is our filter area. So we can see you have these arrows that line up. We can loosen the whole thing and pull it out. Now, there's not a lot of gunk in this, but down in here, you can see there is some gunk. And Bosch tells you to clean this out every few months. So we're gonna take this over to the sink and wash this out. So we're gonna take a little soap and water. And we're gonna get this all, we're gonna take this brush and we're just gonna kind of scrub some of this stuff out. Not being too rough with it, but rough enough to get the gunk off of there, because it is kind of like a screen. Okay guys, then we're just gonna do put it back in the reverse of how we took it out now that we have it all cleaned up. We're gonna set this back in and make sure we get everything pushed down, and then we'll slide it into place to lock it. And that's all there is to it.